how to automate any HR template based on you have a predefined Word template and your Excel data, and by running a macro we automate any exam HR template. So let's see how to automate offer letter. The same process applies for all. We have some data, Excel data in this macro file, and we have a sample offer letter template. Let's open this template first. Here we have a um, predefined offer letter, and we have some blue color text combined words. We will populate data from Excel file and fill all the blue color word based on the Excel data. So let's open our Excel data. In the Excel file, we have two tabs. One is the instruction tab and run macro tab button here, and we have also data tab. So in this case, it is offer. The name it is offer. So we have here, you see, first serial number, candidate name, and other elements of data like today's date, the date we of give this offer, job title, department, candidate location, and other elements are here. So one thing, remember that you keep serial number column and candidate name column in column A and column B. We produce file for each employee based on the serial number and candidate. So if you go to the our Word document, our template, so the today's date, the uh, placeholder we are using here, it must be same is the column header of Excel file, data file. For example, candidate name, we have here the candidate name exactly same. The macro will find this candidate name, this word, and replace the candidate name from this table. Same as today's date, job title, department name, company name, location name, salary amount. So each thing are here exactly. The column header in the Excel data should be the same. One thing is you need to remember. So when you have your own, you need to change other wording as appropriate for your organization. But and you can also change this blue color placeholder, whatever the placeholder you use. So you give the same header for the Excel table also. Then they will match and fill the form. So now we close this our template. Now come to the instructions sheet. First, we need to you need to draft your own Word doc template as appropriate. We showed you this. We have a sample template. You need to changing your own word the template. So blue color, like this is just image. So blue color words populate from the Excel data, and each field name must be same Excel data table column headers. So here you need to give two things. First, you need to give the path for this Word template. So this is the Word template. So to get the path, shift, just select, shift, right click, and copy as path and paste it here. And output folder path means for each generated template for each candidate or employee, it will be saved in this folder, output folder. So we need to take this path again, same thing, just click, shift, right click, copy as path and paste the folder path here. So number 5 and number 6, we did these things. Do not change this sheet name, run macro or offer, because macro will take in consideration of the sheet name. So if you change, macro may not work. And keep the replacing word unique. For example, replacing these words will replace from the data, so you keep this word unique. Means, for example, like you see the candidate name we are using with no space, so this is not, this is a placeholder, so you keep um, unique from the other wording from your template, so that there will be no um, uh, otherwise they will replace the your inside text also. So keep the word unique, so that it will take data from our data table. Finally, we run the macro. Macro is running, it takes some time. So you see, our in the output folder, our templates are generated. So from here we have a message that offer letter successfully um, created and saved in the output folder. Now we close this message and go to the anyone. So we have both Word template and PDF templates. So let's first open first one. So you see the serial number is 1 and the name taking from the column 2, column B. So if we go to the data tab, so taking the one and candidate name and then the offer letter. So for each same way they generate for everybody. So if you see, this is the today's date. For example, here we have today's date is 2024 0615, and the employee name is this name, and we are pleased to position software engineer. So software engineer, IT department, Toronto, salary is 85,000. So everything is here, Toronto, salary. So same way you can create any of your, automate any of your template by using predefined template or template data in Excel and a macro. Thank you.